Want to master anime character design for free? This course is your first step on the journey to anime character design art learning pathway. Brushcamp offers tons of similar courses in illustration, 2D, 3D design. Level up your creativity with free knowledge and courses. Visit brushcamp.com today and explore endless possibilities. After you have learned how to draw well, how to draw eyes, nose, mouth or hair, well now if you can combine all of those, you will make your paintings more diverse and more beautiful by practicing combining the 5 senses on the face to be able to create expressions more variety and interesting for painting. Practicing expressions will help your paintings not be frozen and always look at them with soul and vitality. Then practice expressions. And after the character's expression, it's not just the eyes. It is true that in anime, the eyes are an extremely important part of the character's appearance and emotions. It's not only the eyes, but even the expression of the nose, mouth or eyebrows also contributes to increase the expression on the character's face. It will increase the appeal of your pictures and make them more alive. So how do you put all of that together? Then you guys will try. First you should try looking at yourself in the mirror. And you will try. Observe yourself when you have different expressions, crying or sad or laughing. You will know how our 5 senses will run. For example, now we will draw a face. Like this. I'll draw a character that looks pretty complete for you guys to see. Help you understand and imagine what I'm trying to say. For example, now you draw a smiley face. So how do you know that the character is happy? First of all, you have to mention the eyes, right? Its eyes look so affectionate. Just like I showed you in the eye expression tutorial. It looks very affectionate from the shape to the iris, right? Then what follows? We will come with a smiling mouth. If this is smiling shyly, right? I will try to draw it here for you to see. Its eyes will narrow a little. Do you see that? A very feminine smile. But it's not in the eyes alone. And it also has a combination of the mouth. Likewise, we will. Similarly, we will try to come to the face that look it. A little sad. It looks a bit sad. I will erase the expression I just drew. And I will copy out the faces so it's easy to draw expressions. So many. The point is for everyone to be able to understand how to draw the expression, make it beautiful. Next, we will come with a very sad expression. We'll try the sad expression. As for the sad expression, first its eyes will drop. About the sad expressions, don't forget the eyebrows. Since eyebrows like this look so sad compared to eyebrows like this, it'll be stiff. So the eyebrows also follow. Then now the mouth. The character's mouth now will not. If the eyebrow curves up, it's going to be sad, because everything that describes a sad face goes down. It looks sad, doesn't it? Sad. Cry. With a crying face, we have the accompanying elements. Tears, for example. Eyes will sparkle more than usual. And now when you cry, your mouth will open. I just drew this as an example. You guys can do better than me. We will come to a very bored and cool face. Very cool. On the cool face, we'll refer to the whole square like this. Or a bored face. Like, OMG, I'm so tired of you. Don't talk to me. Like that. Then the eyes won't open all the way. It's like, I have nothing more to say to you. Don't tell me anything. Angry face. An angry face makes its eyes open wider. And don't forget, eyebrows form a tilde. And mouth will open widely. The next is the surprise. Don't confuse it with anger and surprise, because both are wide eyes. For surprise we would be like, the icon you usually draw. We will draw exactly like that. Please practice. These charts let your paintings become more diverse, and also a way for you to practice visual storytelling skills. These are just a few of my examples. Please try to practice drawing expressions to make your paintings more diverse and attractive. And now you have all the knowledge to start painting a complete semi-body. Hope you guys practice a lot to improve your skills and get used to it. Please like and subscribe to our channel.